Hey class, just wanted to give you a reminder, a quick update on some of the things that are coming up, just because we haven't been together this week. Today is a catch-up day, so I just wanted to send this out so that all of you are getting caught up and ready to get Module 2 submitted. So Module 2, as you can see here in the middle of my page, Wednesday, February 19th for blocks A and B. Tomorrow's a day 5, so make sure you have that turned in. Thursday, the 20th, is a day 6. That's E and F. Make sure you have your assignments finished for Module 2 by that time. When I look at the Google Classroom submission page, it seems like there are many of you who are still working on it. I hope you're not saving this for the day of or the day before to get them all done in one shot. It's something that you should be working on each day at the designated times for your STEM class. I know that's really hard to stay disciplined and on track to do, but you should be carving out time in advance for you to work on. Some people have been taking longer than the suggested time, which is totally fine, but I did factor in all those extra minutes that you might need to finish these projects. So please don't waste that time and procrastinate and push this off till the last minute. Otherwise, you won't get done and you'll be turning in like non-quality work, and you need to make sure that you do your best to practice the designs, and the more you practice, the better you get. So please pay attention to some of those things. On the website, you'll see here that to turn in on Module 2, it has this recommendation for the STEM notebook. That STEM notebook is going to be collected when you get back to school sometime in the future. So don't worry about turning that in digitally somehow. The 2 STL files, the one for, let's say, the bag design you make. This is the bag holder design. I just printed this out. It's pretty cool. And then you also have the one that I have a second one here. This is the bottle opener. Okay, so you make those designs, and you have to actually save them as an STL, and that is also the instructions for that is on the first module site. So if you go back to the first module site, you'll see how to submit that STL or save that file as an STL. Make sure you name it properly, and then make sure you also get the PDF files finished for those respective designs. So if you guys are using Tinkercad, you do the same way you did for the Module 1. If you guys are using Fusion 360, then there's instructions on Module 1 that also explain that too. So make sure you have those 2 files, and once those files are submitted, then I'll get them back to you as soon as possible. I do want to say that if you go back to the website, the PowerSchool Learning page, you'll notice that the next Zoom session we have is not till next week, the 24th and the 25th, which is Monday and Tuesday. And the reason why I did that was to give some buffer time for some of you who are having a hard time with Module 2. That does not mean that you wait till the very last minute. Okay, the due date is still the due date. Okay. So the due date is still going to be Wednesday and Thursday. If I notice that it's being turned in late on purpose, or you guys are just not getting it done, then it's going to be marked late, and that will be reflected on your grade book. So please, I know there's a lot of things to keep track of and a lot of things to work through, but try your best to keep track of everything. And I know it's hard to discipline yourself. I know even as a teacher, I know it's hard. It's hard to stay disciplined during this open-ended time. And so just try your best to carve out that time each day to work on the project so that you guys have ample time to get it done and submitted and to do your best you can on it. Okay? So please let me know if you have any questions. The next Zoom session I'll see you is on Monday for block E and F, and on Tuesday for blocks A and B. Have a great catch-up day today. Hopefully you don't have that much to catch up on. You can take a break for a little while. But other than that, I'll see you guys on the next Zoom session. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.